And this is you protecting your daughter.
This is you protecting your daughter? You showed everybody who this young lady is. You just told everybody her name. You just showed us her schedule. There is a war.
You don't show nobody your kid in war.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's one of her poses.
No, what don't I get? Please, life of old, whatever you want to call it. Yo, tell me what I don't get. Trust me, I get it all. Maybe you don't get what I'm saying. You must have didn't hear before what I said. Yes, morally, it's not right. But in war, there's no morality. Because none of y'all have really been to war. Whether in the street level or in the military level, none of y'all never been to war. I've been to real war with niggas. Where they gonna come and take your family, bruh. I don't walk my dogs without it. I don't do nothing without it. It's wartime all the time. We live in 2026. Y'all better get right. Y'all better figure it out. When people want you, they gonna come for you. They gonna go online. They gonna figure you out. They gonna figure out where you live. They gonna figure out your peoples. All of that. All of that. Yes, Sandra, he screwed up. And this is not his only time. He did it before, but I can't find that live. It's just this was the most recent, and I can't figure out which show it was. Or that's the only reason why. You see how long it took me to find this? I had to go through like two or three different shows to scrub and find this. This was in the beginning of the show, 15 minutes in the show. So you gave them the ammo. We know your wife's name is Rita, so we know her last name is Daniels. You said her name 1,000,000 times. You gave them the fucking ammo. You went every day of last week and said you was a gangster.